Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Xiaomi Redmi Book Pro 16 with Aero-like Edge CPU. So friends, the Xiaomi has introduced the Redmi Book Pro laptop and it's powered by Intel Aero-like Edge processor along with the 16 Gen 10 IPS display with boast excellent capabilities at least on paper, and the laptop has been announced in China, and it's powered by Intel Core Ultra 7 255H CPU paired with 32 GB of LPDDR5X 8400 MHz memory with 16 physical core, and the 255H brings sizable performance improvement. Its producer and the Intel Core Ultra 7 155H in certain multi-thread benchmark, and the Core Ultra 7 255H can be much as 30% faster than its producer. There is no room for discrete graphics all through the integrated R140 Ti GPU pack enough. Run to trade below the Radeon 890M, and the laptop cooling setup with dual fan is present to deal the system heat output. So friend, the IPS display it comes with 165 Hz refresh rate and 100% coverage of TCI P3 color gamut. In terms of connectivity, including dual USB-A 3.2 Generation 2, Thunderbolt 4, USB Type-C and audio jack, as well HDMI 2.1, and the base variant of Intel Core Ultra 5 255H CPU and 32 GB of memory and 1 TB of SSD, and other features including 1080p webcam, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, dual 2-watt speakers, and 140-watt gain charger. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.